Hello, Olympiad aspirants. Welcome back to the YouTube channel of F2S Olympiads classes. After completing the preparatory series of Silver Zone Mathematics Olympiad for grade 5, 6, and 7, we are going to start the preparatory series for Silver Zone Science Olympiad for grade 5th, 6th, 7, and 8. Here, we solve the comprehensive book of Silver Zone. Each question of every exercise will be well explained. Each chapter contains 40 questions, which is divided into two part videos of 20 and 20 questions for all four grades. Every week, we release one video of each class, that is Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and Sunday for grade 8, 7, 6, and 5, respectively. To get the videos at your earliest, subscribe our channel and hit the bell button so that you can be ready for your Olympiad exam on time. And do share the video with your friends so that all the Olympiad aspirants can be benefited. And my one request is that please mention your feedback in the comment section. Actually, it means a lot for me and motivates me to make such videos. Thank you. Now let's start. Grade 5 Silver Zone Comprehensive Book, Chapter 4, Housing. Video Part 2, Question number 21. Houses built on stilt are mainly found where the climate is hot. No, this picture is showing the stilt house. Where it rains a lot. Option B will be the correct answer. The 21 answer is option B. Question number 22. The house is made up of this house shown here. So this is your houseboat and it is made up with the wood only so that it can float on the water. The 22nd answer will be option D. Okay? Question number 23. The houses in areas having high snowfall and rain. So with high snowfall, they should have the sloping roof so that snow can easily move down. Option C. 23rd answer is option C. Question number 24. How many stories are there in a multi-story building? One story, no. Two story, no. There can be many stories. The 24th answer will be option C. Question number 25. This house is permanent and cannot shift from one place to another. So caravan is the moving house, tent is the moving house or temporary house, houseboat is the moving house. So bungalow is the permanent house. The 25th answer is option B. Question number 26. A mobile house means permanent house? No. A caravan. The picture is shown here. That is caravan. And igloo, it is the permanent house. A hut is also. The 26th answer will be option B. Question number 27. A houseboat means a house made up of. So this is the houseboat shown here. Cement or bricks? No. Mud and bamboo? No. It is your stone and snow? No. Sand and wood? No. None of these will be here. 27th answer is option E. Question number 28. Canvas is used in making tent houses. You can see the tent house made by canvas. The 28th answer is option C. Question number 29. Which of the following is not a function of the house we live in? To protect us from the rain, it is the function. To protect us from the thieves, yes. To protect us from the heat and cold, yes. To give us food, no. House cannot give us food. The 29th answer will be option D. Question number 30. People who live in snow houses or snow houses, the igloos, are known as Eskimos. These are your Eskimos. The 38th answer will be option D. Question number 31. Which quality among the following a house should possess? Protective system, yes. Drainage system, yes. Firefighting system, yes. Option D will be the answer. 31 answer is option D. Question number 32. Which material is mostly used to make houses where earthquake occurs frequently? So earthquake occurs frequently, so the people made houses using bamboo. Okay, so that it cannot fall easily. 32 answer will be option A. Question number 33. A sun-facing house receives a lot of sunlight. 33. Answer will be option B. Question number 34. Which of the following is used to make the house shown below? So here you can just see which type of house it is. So it is the kacha house. So we will use mud. 34th answer will be option D. Question number 35. Every house must have drainage system. Yes. Protective system. Yes. Firefighting. Yes. All of them. So 35th answer is option D. Question number 36. Drain of a drain of the house should be covered because it provides cross ventilation. No, no, no. Seals out the foul smell and germs. Yes. Keeps the house infected. No, not infected. All of the above. So 36 answer is option B. Question number 37. Which among the following is not a building material? Concrete, building material, glass, building material, cement, building material, iron, building material. E will be the answer. 37th answer is E. Question number 38. A house can be made safe from thief by fitting the windows with dash, paper, canvas, grill or door. There should be door at the window so that thief cannot enter to your house easily. 39. Which type of house is shown in the given figure? It is your igloo. Option 39 answer will be option B. 40. High roof in a house is beneficial, keeps it cool in summer, keeps it warm in winter. All of them. Answer will be all of them. Answer is option B. Okay. Thank you for watching this video completely. I want to share one more information with you, which can boost your Olympiad preparation. Actually, we are going to launch Olympiad courses on our app F2S Olympiads classes. You can download it from the Play Store. These courses are available for the subject Maths and Science for grade 2 to 8. In this course, you will find all the Olympiad related study materials, chapter wise question paper, and test series for the complete syllabus. Using this app, you can check the level of your Olympiad preparation as well as you can gear up your study. Go and download this app and check the courses. It is available at very nominal cost. And if you have any doubt related to the worksheet explained or about the app, you can write your doubt in the comment section. I will definitely answer it. Thank you.